Introduction to Afterpay BigCommerce integration. Afterpay is a popular payment service that allows customers to pay for their purchases in installments. And BigCommerce is a leading e-commerce platform. Integrating Afterpay with BigCommerce enables merchants to offer customers a flexible payment option, increasing average order value and reducing cart abandonment rates. Step 1. Setting up Afterpay account. To integrate Afterpay with BigCommerce, merchants need to create an Afterpay account and obtain an API key. This involves signing up for an Afterpay merchant account, providing business and banking information, and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once the account is approved, merchants can access their API key, which is required for the integration process. Step 2. Installing Afterpay app in BigCommerce. Merchants need to install the Afterpay app in their BigCommerce store. This involves searching for the Afterpay app in the BigCommerce App Store, clicking the Install button, and following the prompts to complete the installation. The app will guide merchants through the setup process, including configuring payment settings and customizing the Afterpay payment option. Step 3. Configuring payment settings. Merchants need to configure their payment settings to enable Afterpay as a payment option. This involves specifying the payment terms, including the minimum and maximum order values, and the installment schedule. Merchants can also customize the payment option to fit their brand, including the payment button and messaging. Step 4. Testing the integration. Once the integration is complete, merchants should test the Afterpay payment option to ensure it is working correctly. This involves placing a test order, selecting Afterpay as the payment option, and verifying that the payment is processed successfully. Best practices for Afterpay BigCommerce integration. To get the most out of the Afterpay BigCommerce integration, merchants should follow best practices, including clearly communicating the payment terms and conditions to customers, and providing excellent customer support. Merchants should also monitor their sales and customer feedback to optimize their payment settings and improve the overall customer experience. Conclusion. The Afterpay BigCommerce integration is a powerful tool for merchants looking to increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. By following the steps outlined in this guide, merchants can easily integrate Afterpay with their BigCommerce store and start offering customers a flexible payment option. With clear communication, excellent customer support, and ongoing optimization, merchants can maximize the benefits of the Afterpay BigCommerce integration and drive business growth.